Hey guys, we received this UpBrands Valentine cards with the zipper bracelets. This is for the sample, so test and try. Comes in a nice zipper pouch as you can see. So this is a pack of 36. So there are 36 cards and 36 bracelets. So these 36 individual cards, as you can see, this like to and from, and you can easily write the name, and this is good for the kids. They need to give it in the school, so it's a nice thick quality card with a nice print. And then the bracelets, they are the unicorn bracelets of the different colors and sizes. So the colors combination and the designs. So here you can see the zipper thing is really nice, so it's a good time pass. And then also this have, so as you can see, this turns into two different colors and then you can zip it. So it is a good time pass as well, and as a bracelet with a nice unicorn design. And then it's like a pop and the nice look as well. So you can also attach, see, like the vibrant colors and the combination, and you can also attach two of these bracelets to increase the length and then the chain. So these you can see like can be used as a necklace as well, or the big bracelet, or the different chains with the different color combinations or the tone of colors, and also a zipper thing. So overall it's a very nice thing to give it on a Valentine day in the class distribution with the small stuff.